Hi, thank you so much for your purchase. Now I'm gonna explain you what you have to do to create your account with us so you can have access to your products anytime you want, whenever you want to. What you have to do is accept the invitation you have just received, and then you're gonna create your own password. You can go directly to our website, sign in using your account and password. Then you'll be able to see the sales order. You can choose the one that you want by clicking the link. Then you'll be able to see each of the products that you have bought. Click on the downloads button, open it. You can save that PDF in your computer. You can open it and you'll be able to click there to get access to your template. Then when you click on use template, you'll be able to customize it. If you bought 2 templates from us, you'll get 1 email per template. When you open it, you'll be able to click on this link and access to your template. You will have it in your email and you will have it as well in your own account. Thank you so much.